Well, situated in the heart of Greater Noida, it has been a beacon of knowledge and empowerment for over 15 years. Sharda University came in existence in 2009 under the UP Private Universities Act, adhering to all regulatory compliances prescribed by the UGC. Its journey of more than 15 years has been one of remarkable growth and achievement. The university has reached great heights under the esteemed leadership of Chancellor Shri P.K. Gupta and Pro-Chancellor Shri Y.K. Gupta with Professor Dr. Sibaram Khara as the Vice-Chancellor. Sharda University continues to flourish as an epitome of learning and excellence. Sharda University's campus is a blend of world-class infrastructure and inspiring spaces. From state-of-the-art libraries and innovation labs to modern auditoriums and extensive sports facilities, every corner of the campus inspires growth and creativity. The facilities also include air-conditioned classrooms with modern teaching aids and provisions for both indoor and outdoor sports activities. Sharda University is dedicated to providing students with the best possible education, opportunities and resources to innovate, inspire and positively impact the world. The university also boasts advanced laboratories and specialized facilities, including a central instrumentation facility, a community radio station and a moot court hall. In addition, there are two super specialty hospitals on campus. Sharda Hospital, a 1200+ bed super specialty hospital, and Sharda Care Health City, a 500+ bedded hospital equipped with modern facilities and on par with global standards. Sharda University is proud to announce that 2% of its faculty members have been recognized in Stanford University's prestigious top 2% scientists list. Aligning with the National Education Policy (NEP 2020), the university offers multiple entry and exit options, enabling flexible learning paths. Research and innovation forms the backbone of Sharda University's academic framework. The university's intellectual property soaring portfolio stands as a testify its commitment to drive innovation. The university's multidisciplinary research center focuses on cutting-edge areas such as artificial intelligence, cybersecurity and renewable energy. The advanced labs are equipped with the state-of-the-art equipment to facilitate. Recently, Sharda University established the next-gen cyber and quantum systems facility, equipped with an NVIDIA DGX H100 system. Sharda University bridges the gap between academia and industry through innovation and collaboration. Introducing the Industry Integration Knowledge Exchange Cell (IIKEC), a dynamic platform designed to prepare students for the demands of the modern workforce. In addition, the university's Corporate Connect initiatives, including job fairs, guest lectures and panel discussions, ensures that students build meaningful connection with industry leaders while gaining valuable insights into workplace dynamics. Sharda University, with its vision to contribute to the Startup India movement, has strengthened its entrepreneurship ecosystem through the Sharda Launchpad Federation. Since its inception, the Launchpad has incubated 88 startups with 71 launched in just the past 3 years, boasting an impressive success rate of 75%, solidifying Sharda's position as a leader in fostering entrepreneurial growth. With access to mentorship, funding opportunities and incubation support, the university enables students to turn innovative ideas into successful ventures. Complementing this, Sharda Skills, the university's dedicated learning and development arm, offers cutting-edge training programs and skill-building opportunities to prepare learners for industry challenges and societal impact. Sharda University believes in nurturing well-rounded individuals. The vibrant campus life includes cultural festivals that enrich the student experience and create lifelong memories. Life at Sharda University extends beyond academics, with facilities like basketball courts, yoga rooms and a dynamic student community involved in NCC, NSS and NGO activities. At Sharda University, education goes beyond the classroom. The university is committed to nurturing socially responsible citizens who are not just learners but change makers. The university has also procured a new mobile dental van equipped with cutting-edge technology to serve nearby communities. extending its commitment to community service and social responsibility. Sharda University is proud to shape future leaders with stellar placement records. With strong partnerships with leading global companies, the university ensures that its students embark on fulfilling and successful careers. Spreading its wings both nationally and internationally, Sharda University has now established campuses in Agra and Uzbekistan.